Alright, sweetie. Hi. You can't hide from the camera forever. I'll put it right up in your face. In your face.
What it really calls for is for political parties to become innovative as to how they can do, because the regular style of campaigning certainly is not going to be possible. We will not be able to have mass meetings only eventually.
Hey guys. Oh guys, look who's here. Hi mom. I know she hates seeing with the camera, but anyways guys, we're having breakfast.
That's not gonna make me watch too much.
Mister.
Just me.
But anyways guys,
I almost said that they want it.
banana, callaloo and pear. And we have our fruits as per usual.
The seed is mine.
Tea.
I hope you know it's only seed.
One of the seeds, I get nothing else. Hi guys, so we just finished breakfast. We got Shan here. Hi Shan.
Hi. I'm waiting to go and sweep out.
I'm waiting to just chill for a while. I have a project to do. I will not be showing that because it's a competition and I don't know if any Jamaica Baptist people them watching this. I want y'all to see my ideas, so I have an art piece I'm gonna try to do. Bear in mind I'm not an artist, but yeah. So yes guys, I'm just chilling, watching some YouTube, and then later I'm going to fix that. I think in this vlog I did ask some questions, on my Snapchat for you guys to ask me questions. I got only like 3 responses. I know my sister not asked her question, but
Why you love me?
because God loves me. He said I should love you too.
Question. Yes, I don't ask.
So yes, I got 3 good questions, so I will be doing that in this video while I do my makeup, while I do I kind of like get ready with me to go nowhere, just want to feel pretty. So yeah, that should be fun. So guys, I love them teachers. See, well, just 1 minute guys. I'm gonna catch them nice teacher here. And them good summer holiday night. Them nice teacher here. Sit down and them at the work. Them nice, it not even focus for sure, no. Yes, one a nice teacher there.
Over there, so it's
one of the other nice teacher there. Hi, nice teacher.
You see my wallet right now? It's like our government a mad my head.
Tell the camera, oh yeah, go slap me. Tell the camera.
I go slap her.
And guess what?
Back to ya.
I slap her back and guess what happened to her skin? Skin I go weird.
What is that?
I'm in a business, I'm not afraid of police.
Don't hurt me.
I'm afraid of police.
You know, food. Listen,
Food bad.
You can't find this to me. There's no we copy your address and PSC.
But yes guys, so yes guys, me don't watch YouTube video while these 2 runners start to work.
You see my pie chart, you're talking. Okay, what time you for work home morning?
7.
Please may I beg you go to 7:30 and it is at 8 o'clock. I am really tired.
Why?
I'm tired.
I didn't tell us to go to your bed late.
Alright.
You're getting up at 7.
Breakfast time.
So guys, we just finished our 3rd day of exercise and
Day 3.
I'm not lie, day 3 they just feel tiring and lazy. I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna prepare breakfast right now.
Morning.
Anybody phone? Yeah, so breakfast time, breaky time.
Breakfast. Please pack up this plates.
Okay.
just trying to vlog for her. Yes, so they're all in there.
So Mr. Yourself out here saving lives.
Hello.
That's streets.
Hey.
That's streets, man.
What's up?
Yeah, that's streets. Under the morning.
Wanna like my new filming station? Alright guys. Hi, my beard. Finally.
So why me name you looking at this?
I don't care.
When you have a little bit of crap, you want?
No, I know. All of that's are going out. So guys, I'm pulling out my hair. Finally. Guys, it is Thursday, August 13th. Yes guys, so it's Thursday and well, mommy and daddy are gone, left me. Sumit and Shani now get up going help me exercise. So I'm feeling I have to do this on my own. Like they don't love me no more. Anyways guys, so it is Thursday, and again guys, thank you guys for 500 subscribers. Really grateful, and yeah, continue guys, you know, to like, comment and subscribe. I know a lot of you guys, let me tell you not much I wanna don't subscribe or watch my video. 53.8% of the persons that watch the videos are not subscribed. So guys, you already watched the video, you know, go down, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, you know, let's be friends, let's be family. All right guys, so if you have not yet seen my, you know, previous video on basically why I'm actually here at such an early time, because it's like 8:15. I'm doing a 2-week shed, and it's now my 4th day. Yeah, it's my 4th day. Not gonna lie, I actually feel much better than I did on the first day. On the first day I was pained up, I was so exhausted. Second day, never much better. Third day, however, it wasn't as bad. So hoping that today will not be as bad. Today's leg and arm day, so I have Monday, Wednesday and Friday as, you know, mostly ab workout and cardio, and on Tuesday and Thursday we have arm and leg day, and then, you know, Saturday, Sunday nothing, because Sunday is our worship day and Saturday would be just our rest day. Well, not really rest day, because that a day that we actually do a like cleaning and all of that. So yeah, so that's what we're planning on doing for the next 2 weeks. 1 week is almost over. Not gonna lie, I actually feel, you know, refreshed waking up in the morning more. So probably I need to make this a good routine, you know. But when girl lazy bad, because if me go to school and wake up in the morning and exercise, it's not gonna be a good thing, you know. Because most times I have to reach school by 8, so I have to get up like 6 to get ready in order to reach school before 8 o'clock. If I want to exercise, I have to wake up like 4:35, and to go through a school day stressing over people bikini, if you get up so early for exercise, I'm tired out myself, it rough. And then when I come home in the evening, most times I don't come home early, sometimes I do, so it's not always good. So yeah, but I don't want to make, you know, an excuse to not exercise. I want to actually make the time to take care of myself, because if me dead tomorrow or if me dead today, then I gotta just put out something and say math teacher needed. Nobody now cares me dead, so gotta take care of me, you know, gotta really take care of me. Anyways guys, I still don't even know how online how school gonna go for September, because my school not tell me nothing yet. We don't know if I go online, we don't know if I go shift, I don't know. So yeah, that's that guys, that is that. I really don't have anybody to talk to at the moment because Smith and Shani, they refuse to get up. Alright guys, so I want to do a little makeup video for you guys today and upload it today, because you know we have to do something for the 500 subscribers count, and I want this vlog to, you know, kind of go longer, and it's not long enough for me at the moment. So because I didn't vlog a lot yesterday, nah, I didn't vlog it a lot yesterday, so I don't have a lot of footage for me to actually do a vlog to put up today, but probably by Saturday I will have enough. So I'm gonna do the makeup video separate along with the Q&A, because I did ask on my socials. If you're not following me on Twitter, please do so. It is BratsK1. If you're not following me on TikTok, people, TikTok is it's great right now. My TikTok handle is BratsK23. If you're not following me on Instagram, it is Brat's baby girl. Yes, I love Brat's dolls, so don't come at me, man, don't come at me. Yeah, so if you're not following me there guys, you need to come and follow me, because a lot of times when I'm, you know, doing like Q&As and such like that, that's where I ask you guys to tell me the questions that you want to ask me. So I got a few questions, so I'll be doing that video today, and you know, doing makeup, just chatting, just doing that Q&A for my 500 subscriber celebration. I know, you know, to a lot of people this is not a lot, but to somebody where I try from, I don't even know when we start YouTube. I've started YouTube quite a while and uploaded my video, let me tell you. So videos, oldest, I uploaded my first video 3 years ago. So this was, let me give you the exact date, May 31st 2017. That was my first video. That was a makeup tutorial / hairdo. So you know, it's only fitting I do another makeup video, you know, for my 500 subscriber count. So yeah, I feel so yeah, I'll be doing that today, uploading that. So if by the time you see this vlog, it will be already up. So if you haven't seen it yet guys, it will be in the cards. Is it here or here? I don't even know. I don't know the direction. One of these places here, it will be there. So yes guys, check that out. And again, thanks. I'm gonna top chat now. I'm sorry, we don't chat. I'm sorry I chat too much. I'm bored. Just sit with me. Hi guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm sweating. So I just finished my workout and I'm gonna have breakfast. So this is what I'm having. I'm having breadfruit, plantain, dumpling, and some I'm still tired, like literally. But yes guys, I'm gonna have this breakfast. Oh god, look at it. Oh my god. But yes, I'm gonna enjoy this breakfast because I'm hungry. Hi guys, so update time. It is Saturday and I'm gonna clean. I can't talk much because yeah, my funeral are gone, so they're playing music, so yeah. But I'm gonna clean and I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, just jumping on in the vlog. I know I've been MIA for like the entire day, but basically for the day I washed the sheet, I washed my wig, I cleaned, like I wiped the house, I cleaned my room, and then I pretty much did like, I was doing some planning because you know school is kind of some weeks away. I was doing some planning, thinking of the things I need for school, meal prepping, because when September comes I don't want to be eating at the canteen, so I want to be carrying my own lunch to school. Same thing for my sister, so I was planning meals for both of us, and just thinking about the things I need for school. It's sad, but yeah, school is around the corner, so I have to make plans for it. So yes guys, I was doing that today, and then just watched a few YouTube videos. I was just not, you know, I was kind of feeling down, so yeah. But yeah, I'm just ending the vlog here. It's Saturday night, it is 8:28 p.m. and I'm gonna edit this vlog and get it ready for you guys for tomorrow, so yeah. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. Hit that bell guys. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.